Hi, my name is Steve. I will guide you in this tutorial to explain how to install a new keyboard key. We will see in this tutorial how to install a small key with 3 fixing points. For this tutorial you will need the keyboard key and the hinge of the key. You will not need tools, but only your hand. Let's go. Tilt the inner part of the hinge. Then hang the inner part of the hinge on the left fastener. And finally fold the outer part of the hinge to hang on the 2 right fasteners. Take the key in the right direction, so that the clips of the key are correctly positioned. And finally clip the key on the keyboard with slight pressure. This tutorial is now complete. You can also check our other videos for other types of keys. If you need to replace your rubber cup, see the dedicated tutorial on this topic. And finally, for all your keyboard key replacement requests, contact us directly on our website laptopkey-europe.com. See you soon.